Meet Roy Cleveland Sullivan, a man who had the shocking realization that lightning strikes weren't just random events. They were his new hobby. Roy wasn't struck once, twice, or even 3 times. No, he was zapped a whopping 7 times. We're talking more lightning strikes than a thundercloud at a disco. It's like he had his own VIP seat in the Electric Universe's comedy show. And guess what? Roy didn't just survive. He kept coming back for more. He must have had a hotline to Thor for that kind of reservation. With each strike, he probably muttered, "Oh, not again." But hey, at least he didn't need a flashlight during those dark and stormy nights. So here's to Roy, the electrifying legend and the world's unluckiest lightning rod.